Welcome everyone once again on a course of computer-aided manufacturing. This is the third video of prismatic part machining, which was a video series of 3 videos. We would be continuing for making the operations in NX, that is 2 phases were left and one hole making was left in the last video. We would be continuing this in this video. So let's start our NX. So here we had left. Okay, so this is the blank geometry for this part is 0, means we haven't take any blank in this direction, so it won't cut in this direction. We have to select some other geometry. See, the same tool path is generated on the other face as well. Same for this face. done. So facing operations is done. So facing is done, and now we would be continuing with the hole making operations. For hole making operation, we will select the hole milling operation type, select the geometry, specify the geometry of the workpiece where we want to create a hole. Select it, done. So cut pattern can be selected as helical, spiral or helical spiral. First of all, the tool would be drilling in the helical way, and in a two-dimensional spiral it would be enlarging the hole. We would be selecting helical here. Retract should be selected as helical, and other things can be taken as default. So retract helps us to helps the tool to return back in the same direction in which it was entered. So this makes the tools safe and does not allow them to break while operating. See, a whole operation tool path is also generated. Okay, so this is the basic program for this simple geometry, and we can verify this. See, this is how the tool would cut our blank. Second face is now being cut by the tool. Now the third face. Now the hole making operation is done. Now finally the part is created. So this was all in this video. Hope you all liked it. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Start Scratch. Thank you.